Morning guys, so I had a phone call off a guy last week and he rang me up saying can I go and repoint his dance floor. So I went down to have a look at it. It's a paved area, really old, some old flags and all points come out, so I'm going to repoint that. So yeah, so I go down there and repoint his dance floor for him. And we're off heading there now, so I'll see you on the job. So this is it guys, it's looking a bit rough, but I've been walking on them and none of them's moving, so when we point it up it should hold nicely. Well, we got there in the end. Looks a lot better than it did this morning. I'm quite pleased with that. I'll see you in the next one.